Okay, I'm McKenna Stoker, and this is Lesson 7, Preparation 1, and I'm doing questions 9 and 10. Question 9 is, what is the struggle index and what is learned from it? So the struggle index is a measurement they use on Daphne Major to measure the seed size and seed hardness of each seed compared to other seeds. The struggle index helped the Finch unit identify exactly what each species preferred to eat when it came to seeds, fruit, insects, leaves, buds, and flowers. And it also allowed them to see what kind of beaks were suited to each type of seed, so which kinds of birds ate what kinds of things, and which beak was best used for everything. So for number 10, it says to answer the following. It says, all nature is at war, and the struggle very often falls on whom? So the struggle of war falls on the species that is the least evolutionarily adapted for their environment. These species typically have to put in so much effort into finding food and resources that they expend most of their energy looking and don't get enough in return from their findings. The other part of the question is, competition is not only the clash of horns or tooth or claw, it is also what? And in the book, it says that competition can also be a silent race for resources between species that coexist in the same environment and eat the same food. And then the last part of the question is, the smallest grain in the balance refers to what? And I found that the smallest grain of rice in the balance refers to the tipping scale that chooses who will live and who will die, and suggests that those who live will have only an extra grain that better prepares them. In other words, they'll only have maybe a couple mutations or physical differences that just barely tip them over the edge that allow them to survive. All right, thank you.